What's going on, guys? So today I'm stoked. I have an audio guy coming to help assist. I say help and assist. He's basically going to be doing all the alarm stuff that I don't know how to do. So the main thing I want to do is just get all the wiring pulled out that goes with this 1995 Clifford alarm, because I just hate all that extra wiring in there. I don't know why, it doesn't make a difference, but like the battery terminal, it had a bunch of fuses connected to it, an extra positive, an extra negative, ran all the way through the car. Like, that just bugs me. I don't know why, I just hate it. So he's coming over today to help yank it all out, because some of it is wired into the actual factory harness. What I tested out is if I unplugged the alarm, a lot of these have, what's it called? A immobilizer. A lot of them have an immobilizer. So if you do something with the alarm, like if you're trying to steal it, you cut part of the wire for the alarm, you won't be able to start the car. Some of the alarms have those, some of them don't. This one does, which is what I was afraid of, because that means once you start removing things, I don't want to remove something I shouldn't have and then not be able to start the car just because I tried to remove the alarm on my own. So he's coming over. He said alarm removal is very simple once you know what to look for. So I'm hoping he'll let me film some of it and maybe talk me through a little bit of it, because I do want to learn some of this. So yeah, he should be here any minute, and once he gets here, we'll start hacking away at this and hopefully get this alarm removed within like an hour. Alright, this guy killed it. Jeff McCoy at McCoy Customs. I'll try and link him below. Man, he killed it. Look how much cleaner this is under there. Now these just go to the glove box, so that's no big deal. Glove box. And then he taped up everything. But basically there were sensors there was a immobilizer, there were window shatter sensors, some sort of mercury sensor. If the car gets like jacked up, it'll sense that it's jacked up. So we ripped all that out. Perfect. So now I got to go through and clean it all up and put the interior back together, and I'm stoked because now I can really start moving on this. So like, subscribe. I think this will be one video, so like, subscribe. We should start to make some good headway now that this is all out. Cheers, guys.